Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. This is my very first nail video that I'm actually posting. So I'm a little, I don't know, this is weird. This is different for me. This is different from my main channel. But yeah, today I'm doing some grass nails that I think turned out really cute. I really wanted to do something like different, and I never seen grass nails like this. So right now I'm basically just painting just a little base layer of some forest green gel polish on the nails because I wanted the nails to look to not be see-through. So I'm just putting that base layer down and I'm curing it with my mini lamp from my cart. And I have these spangled glitters that I'm using in green, and I have some pressed flowers that I wanted to use on a nail because I was about to draw the flowers. I think I would really suck at that, but that would be cool if somebody could, like, if you could draw the flowers on, paint the flowers on instead of using the pressed flowers. But right now I'm just putting in, I think I'm just putting a base layer for the glitter to stick into. I believe I'm just putting in a base layer or something like that. Most likely it's a base layer because that's usually what I stick like glitters into. But I am not a professional nail tech or nail artist. It's just a hobby that I picked up recently. I've been wanting to do stuff with nails for a long time, but I just recently really started getting into it and I love it. But before that, I was watching a lot of nail videos. I love to watch long hair pretty nails here on YouTube. I love to watch Femi Beauty. She is my favorite. Like, she really inspired me to start a nail art channel. So yeah, I got a lot of nail art stuff and that's what I've been doing, and I decided to go ahead and make a channel and put my videos up and everything like that. So now I'm just putting the glitters, I'm pressing them into the nail with some this is like a gel brush. It came in like a nail kit. A nail tool kit is just like a brush that you could use for like gel or like nail art. So I'm just using that to pick up the glitter and press it in. But I personally feel like just sprinkling the glitter on top kind of works better because it came out more flat. When I did that, I did one hand on camera, like one set on camera, and the other set for the other hand I did off camera. And I feel like the other one I did turned out a little bit better because I kind of just sprinkled the glitter on, but it is more messy. So yeah, I'm just pressing these in. It's best to try to get them, if you want to recreate this look, it's best to get them as flat as possible, because you don't want a lot of these, because these are like spangled glitters, so they're straight, so they'll like stick straight up and like look kind of weird. So like if you see that some are sticking up after you cure it, you could kind of just like cut them. Some of them I cut at the top because they were sticking up and I can't have that, so I cut that shit off. So yeah, just press the glitters in, and I think now I'm applying a bit of gel. I really could have just put down base coat. I don't know why I was being so extra and decided to put down gel, but I'm putting down gel. And like I said, I'm not a professional, so I'm probably doing this wrong. The real nail techs are probably gagging and just are not here for it. But yeah, I really like this nail stand though. I got this nail stand off of, I think I got it off of Etsy. I got it off of Etsy because I saw Femi Beauty using it. And I was like, wow, if I want to do my nails, I could just make press-ons, like a bunch of sets of press-ons, and like experiment with different designs and stuff without having to commit to having the nails on my hand. But I'm kind of not liking the press-on nails because I still get a bit of damage on my nails, and I think it's because I'm not taking them off right. So I'm trying to figure out what's the best way for me to be able to record videos, because I'm using my hands. I don't have like models. Hopefully eventually people will let me do their nails for my videos, but I don't have that now. So now I'm taking the pressed flowers. I kind of like took them off like the stems. As you can see on the side, I just kind of cut them and put them into this little jar, and I'm just picking them up and pressing them into the base layer. It was actually kind of hard to get all of these onto the nail because they really weren't sticking well, and I think that's because the surface was so rough, but they stuck, and I feel like it looks better when you kind of keep the nail looks better when you keep the glitters, not the glitters, the pressed flowers like whole. If you have them, like the pressed flowers that come on the little stem, try not to cut through the actual flower. Like try to keep it all together, if that makes sense. Because when I was doing certain nails, some of them were a little more broken up, and it was kind of looking like Fruity Pebbles. It looked like Fruity Pebbles, so I didn't like that. I'm like, this is not Fruity Pebbles on grass. This is flowers on a grass lawn or a meadow. I don't know which one it is, but yes, that's what I did. So I'm just pressing those in, and I'm showing you guys how they look, and they were so pretty just like that. They look so pretty, even just sparkly. They look pretty like that. So I believe I cured those, of course, and I'm using IBD hard gel to cap the nails. So I'm capping them with the IBD hard gel. This was really my first time using the IBD gel. Before I used a clear poly gel, but I feel like I still have to learn how to use the poly gel because some of my sets are like lumpy, and I don't like that. I'm a Virgo, and I'm a bit of a perfectionist, and I want my stuff to look nice. Even though I'm not a professional, I want it to look like it's done by a professional. And I feel like this set came out really cute, but I'm trying to make sure my sets are not like bulky and stuff like that. So I find it easier to use this IBD gel, this hard gel, even though I'm probably not using it right, but it worked for me, and I fixed like the shape and stuff when filing. But I'm just floating the gel over the nail, and I'm adding that on, and yeah, these are looking really cute. I kind of wish I would have kept them glittery. I ended up messing up because when I did the nails at first, and I was experimenting, and I put the spangled glitters on a nail one day, and over top of it I put a matte top coat, and I was like, oh my gosh, these green spangled glitters look like grass with the matte top coat on it. And I was like, I should do a set like that. Now, at first, I was going to do like Tyler the Creator, like golf set, and have like one nail with like grass, and then one nail with like maybe like his flowers that he uses for Wildflower. But I ended up not doing that. But I still can do that. But then I was like, oh, maybe I should just do like a grass lawn or like a garden or something. But I feel like you can get really creative with this. So I did that, and I was like, okay, it looks like a grass lawn or whatever. So when I did this set, after I did all of this stuff, I put on the matte top coat, and I felt like it didn't give me the same effect that it gave me the first time. So I was like, it doesn't look right. So my stupid self put on another layer of matte top coat, and then you could hardly see the design Because I'm thinking, I don't know what I was thinking, but don't do that. If you do a set like this, don't put 2 layers of matte top coat, because it is not the move. If you actually have something under the top coat that you're trying to show, and most of you probably know that. I'm a noob, so I messed up. So I'm just capping all of these nails with the gel. I'm using this brush from a cart that comes with the polygel kits, and these have come in really handy. I have 2 of them because I got 2 different polygel kits. So yeah, I'm using that to kind of just float the product on there. And yeah, so it's looking really good. I was really impressed with how the set turned out, and I'm really excited to make more creative sets. I've never seen anything like this. I hope I'm the first person to do this, but I feel like if you did this style on like a long stiletto nail, it would be so cute. Like if you did it on a long stiletto nail, and like the capping was really good, and the shape was really good, it would be really nice. So I cured those, and now I am taking off the tacky layer with some alcohol. I'm just wiping down the sticky layer off of the nail because it is very sticky after curing. And I cured them for 2 minutes. So I put them in for 60 seconds, and then I put them in for 60 seconds again, just because, I don't know, I'm weird in that way. I like curing them a little bit extra. So I'm just wiping down that tacky layer and making sure it's not sticky or anything. And then I believe that I pressed these on. I don't know if I use my nail tabs or if I press them on. The way I'm holding it, yeah, I use the nail tab, and my hand is kind of like out of focus, which is irritating. But I still have to figure out the camera position and setting and stuff like that. I did a video that I want to post, but I can't post because my hands were in the way the entire time. I did a video for Valentine's Day. I may still post it just because, but I'm just shaping these down and like trying to get them all right and nice. And after shaping, they look really good. They're not too thick. That's why I like using the IBD gel better than the poly gel if I'm not using dual forms, because I'm not good at capping yet, because I'm new to this, you know. So this was the other set that I did. I took the other ones off my hand. I had the nail tabs, and I think this was the second one. I'm not sure. I don't know. I did a whole lot while filming this. I was filing it on my hand, filing it off my hand, a whole lot. But now I'm buffing the set. I think I took it off and I did the other one. And now I'm buffing it out, and I'm making sure it's nice and smooth and ready to be top coated in it. So I'm putting on a matte top coat. I'm using the matte top coat from Macart, and I'm putting that all over. I love that whenever you order a kit from them, you get like these bigger bottles of gel top coats. So I'm using the matte top coat to finish it off. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I am going to let you guys watch the rest. I didn't talk through the whole entire video, but I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of this and see the end results. And I want you guys to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow my nail art page so you can be updated on all my nail stuff on Instagram. And make sure you hit the notification bell and all that good stuff. And please support this channel. And I also have a main channel that you can also support. It's down in the description box as well. And yeah, these are my nails. So I'm gonna get over here and let you look. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.